guys? If you are new and this is your first time ever coming across my channel or seeing my face, my name is Felicia. I make great content. Welcome you guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. I hope you guys subscribe down below to become a part of the Licia crew. And if you guys are already subscribed to my channel, welcome back, Licia crew. Welcome back, family. And so, as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing my own box braids for the very first time, y'all. I'm very excited. I feel like this is going to turn out really good. Hopefully it turned out very good. So without further ado, let's just get into the products. So for first product, I got hair. I got the hair. I got Expressions hair. That's the brand, and it's also pre-stretched. Make sure you guys get pre-stretched hair. That's like the best type of hair to get because it make it easier when you're doing box braids. I got 6 packs, just so you know. I don't know if I'm gonna use them all. I don't know if I'm gonna need them all, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So I just got 6 just in case. Okay. Next product, I got this Shining Gem because that's what I'm going to sleek the braid up with to make it have like a very sleek and nice look. Next I have a rat tail comb for parting my hair, of course. So yeah. Next I have a jumbo bonnet. If you guys are getting like box braids, twists, anything like that, tribal braids, any type of braids in your hair, I suggest you getting a jumbo bonnet because it's like it makes it like, you know what I'm saying, it makes you have a lot of space, you know, so your hair won't be tight, you know, so you could breathe at night, you know what I'm saying, so you can breathe. But yeah, get you a jumbo bonnet. I suggest it. Next I have some rubber bands, of course. I'm doing a box braid with rubber bands, that method. So yeah, get you some rubber bands. My next product is my edge true brush. I'm going to not only use it for my edges, but I'm also going to use it like to make the braid have a more sleeker look when I'm applying, like, you know, the Shining Gem. Y'all gonna see when I do it. And then lastly, I have these clear beads because I'm gonna be putting them at the end of my box braids to make it have like a more cuter look, give it the hairstyle a little more flavor. So that's all for products. Now let's get into this video. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna begin by parting my hair with the comb. It's kind of hard to like look at the mirror and also show you guys what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do the parts, you know, put the rubber bands on there and this Shining Gem, and then I might show you guys me do one of them, but I'm gonna just come back to when most of my hair is parted so you guys can see. I'll be back in 1 second. Okay y'all, so now I'm back. I did, you know, most parts like I said I was gonna do. This is how my parts are looking. They look really good. This is how the parts are looking and everything like that. I feel like I did them really nice. They took, you know, a lot of concentration and patience, you know. So, but they turned out good. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do 2. I'm just gonna go through 2 with you guys so y'all can see what I did. I'm gonna do this one real quick, and I'm gonna also do this big one real quick. So yeah, I gotta take Shining Gem, put it on my finger, and I'm gonna put it on my edges. I'm putting it all around that piece so it could be really slick. And make sure y'all don't get like hair from other pieces because that could take out your hair. So just make sure y'all are really, like, you know what I'm saying, really careful when y'all slicking up a part. Now I'm just gonna take the edge brush and slick that part. Ooh, see? Now that I feel like it is slick, I'm just gonna take a rubber band Just gonna take a rubber band and tie it around. I like to tie it around 6 times because with this rubber band, even though it's small, you could get like a whole bunch of ties with this, but you don't want your hair to be too tight to where it's hurting your head and anything like that. So I just tied it around 6 times. And then I just, you know, tie it a little bit so it can be more tighter. Okay, that's how that's looking. Now I'm just gonna move on to, you know, this big one. I just grabbed a scrunchie so I could put this hair up so I could focus on that one big part that I got left. My forehead look over big. All right, so now I can focus on this part. But okay. So once again, I take the gel and I just apply the gel. And then I take the edge brush, smooth it out. Now that I got this parts I'm liking, I'm just gonna put it in a rubber band and make it a little bit more tighter. All right, y'all. So now I'm officially done with the parting. I'm officially done with all the parts. So we can get on with the hair. So I think I'm just gonna take like about, let me see. I'm gonna take half to do one braid. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this in half as well. So in order to cover the rubber band so you won't see it, what you gotta do is make sure these are even and over across them. And then take this piece right here and just turn it, make sure it's tight, because that's what you're gonna put over the rubber band. So now that I have that, I'm just gonna take this braid, put it over, make sure it's tight up close, and then just begin braiding. Alright, y'all, so this is how this braid looks. I don't know if it's too big or not. I might have to do it smaller because I don't know. I don't want it to be too big. I don't know. This is how long it is, y'all. It's this long. I don't know if this is the size I wanted. I probably want it a little bit smaller because you gotta think about it. I'm putting beads on the ends too. I don't want it to be too big, and then the beads are like not that big. The beads are like a medium size, so I might end up doing the braids a little smaller so it can be like a medium size. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna just keep on doing it and see how it goes. Let me do the second braid, but let me do it a little smaller, and then we gonna see which size I end up going with. So this is the other half. So what did I do last time? Oh, I went with half of that. So I'm gonna just do this, make it in half again. But then I'm gonna make it in half again. And I'm gonna use these two. So let me just do them what I did before. I'm just gonna stop braiding here. But this is how this size look. This is the size difference. So I decided which sides I'm gonna go with after some discussions and some decision making. Wait. Before I tell y'all which sides I'm going with, how about y'all just put them down in the comment section what sides y'all think I'm gonna go with. Drum roll, please. If you said the smaller one, we here with it. I'm going with the smaller braid simply because I'm thinking about like the beads and all that type of stuff, and I just feel like with how many parts I got, I feel like the smaller one would go better. So let's just take this one down. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I did these 2 braids. I feel like they came out really good. They this long. I didn't braid them all the way yet, but they this long. I feel like they're cute, but I got a lot more to go. As y'all can see, I gotta do all of this, so I'm just gonna do one more braid on camera and then do most of them and then come back to y'all when I got most of them done. I'm gonna take this braid right here. I'm gonna make sure it's tight the end of there, and pull it through. Pull it through. Make sure I got all the hair. That's for that one. And then, start braiding. And then I can't braid. Oh, I'm close. I can't just braid back like that. So it's like I gotta bring it around to the front some type of way. So it's about this long now. So I'm just gonna try to take that and bring that around to the front and continue braiding. This is what I have so far. I got 8 braids left at the top. It looks really cute, but I'm getting kind of tired, y'all, so I'm just gonna go to sleep and then I'm gonna finish this in the morning. This took, just putting the rubber bands in and doing these braids so far, it took a total of 2 hours. So I'm just finishing in the morning and do do the rest of these, the beads, all that. So I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. All right, y'all, I'm back, and I'm just gonna start by, I haven't braided this up, but I'm just gonna start by braiding the 8 braids, and then when I get done with those 8, I'm just gonna braid the ends. So y'all, I'm almost done. I got 2 more left, but I just wanted to stop for a second and talk about the hair. I feel like the hair is like really good, because when I was like braiding my hair and like I came across like minor tangles, whatever, because the hair is good itself, so it wasn't really tangled like that for real. But when it was tangled, all I had to do was put my fingers through it. It was like with like one like finger pull, it was already straight and I could just continue braiding. So this hair is really good, y'all. I really recommend it. Again, it's called Expressions hair. So I'm just gonna finish doing these braids and I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm braiding the ends. I just dipped the braids in hot water and this is how they look. And now I'm just going to apply the beads on the ends of the hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm officially done with the hairstyle. This is the final product. It came out to be really cute, y'all. By the way, I used 3 out of the 6 packs that I brought, and I feel like doing your own hair is just so beneficial. Like, y'all don't have to go to the shop. Like, shop where? Like, maybe I did this myself. Like, y'all just like, I feel like you just gonna be saving so much more money if you do it yourself. So this is the final product, y'all. It's so cute. I'm so happy. I just did my own hair, period. Let me just add one more touch real quick. Y'all already know I had to do my edges. Like, I just had to. Like, they just bring their hairstyle flavoring. Like, edges, doing edges is like my signature look, so I just had to do them. But this hairstyle came out super good, like I was saying before. You guys have made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to become a part of the Licia family. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. And I will see you guys in the next video.